forward slashes followed by your tag name, square brackets, attribute is equal to single quotes value. Sir, which attribute should we take if there are multiple attributes? Whichever one you want. Okay? So when you write the XPath, it should give you exactly one element. So let me show it to you as a sample. Example दिखाएगा मैं. हाँ समझा नहीं? Instagram में दिखाना ठीक है. So this is your phone number element. What is the tag for this phone number element? I mean email element का tag name क्या है? What is the tag name that you see? Input. So how will you write the XPath? You'll start with this one like this. // input square brackets attribute. Which attribute should I take? There are multiple attributes if you observe here. Okay? If I take area label attribute, उसका value देखो कितना बड़ा है. It's very big. The value is very big. I need to copy the entire value. Let's not use area label attribute. Area required true. Let's copy area required attribute. Area required is equal to single quotes में true true. I will copy this XPath that I have prepared here, and what I will do is inside elements I'll do Control F. If I do Control F, see what will happen. नीचे search का एक आ गया नीचे. I'll put my XPath here. I'll paste my XPath. How many elements am I getting? 2 elements, but I should get exactly 1 element. So area required should not be used. If I use area required, it is giving me how many elements? 2 elements. So obviously area required should not be used. Area capitalize, auto capitalize, auto correct, max length, वो भी छोड़ दो. Class name maybe there are numbers. I told you yesterday, if your attribute value contains numbers, ignore that attribute. So do not use your class attribute also. Next, type is equal to text. Let's try type is equal to text. Type is equal to text. Yes, I'm getting exactly 1 element. See, एक element है 1 of 1, and that element is highlighted in yellow color. If you put your cursor, it is taking you to phone number element. So I can use type is equal to text, or name is equal to username is also there for me. So name is equal to username. See, exactly 1 element even for XPath also. You should be doing the same thing in the interview also. वो बोलेगा, write the XPath for phone number. You should write the XPath and show it to him live in the interview like this. It says you You don't have to write the entire Selenium code, just write the XPath. So this is the basic XPath ka syntax. This is the basic XPath ka syntax. Now using the same syntax, write the XPath for your password element and tell me what is the XPath. Now that you understood the XPath ka syntax, write the XPath for password element and tell me what is its XPath. कर सकते, लेकिन इंटरव्यू में नहीं कर सकते ना. And the problem is, if you do copy XPath, एक browser एक XPath दे देता है. Each browser gives its own XPath. You cannot be dependent on that. Firefox एक XPath देता है, Chrome एक XPath देता है, Opera एक XPath देता है. You have the copy XPath option available, but interviewer के सामने तो copy XPath नहीं कर सकते. What is the XPath man? पहले tag name बताओ. What is the tag name? Amma? What is the tag name? Input is the tag name. अच्छा ठीक है. Very good. Input is the tag name and which attribute are you choosing? कौन सा attribute ले रहे तुम? Type password. अच्छा ठीक है. Are you getting exactly 1 element? Copy, write the XPath and locate the element. అయిందా? Got the XPath, everyone? What is the XPath? Input ID is equal to pass. Unda atla. ID attribute unda. Okay? There is no ID attribute at all. Manod Facebook చూస్తున్నట్టున్నాడు. Type is equal to password. Arya label is equal to password also can be used. See? Arya label is equal to password. That can also be used. तुम name और type के पीछे क्यों पड़े तुम लोग? Why are you so worried about name and type only? There are other attributes also, no? दूसरे attributes भी use कर सकते ना. Arya label, देख, input Arya label is equal to capital P password. See, I got my password element. नहीं तो, if not that, I can use my name is equal to password. इसमें lower letter P है. Name is equal to password. Using this attribute also I can locate, or type is equal to password. Using this also I can locate. So the same element using XPath, how many different attributes can you use? Any of these three attributes. Either Arya label, type or name. Any of these three attributes can be used and you can locate the element. मिला तुमको? Were you able to locate the element? XPath आया? Got the XPath, everyone? You should get exactly one element. क्या हुआ? कंट्रोल एफ कर. एलिमेंट सेक्शन में एलिमेंट्स में क्लिक कर, ऐसा क्लिक करके कंट्रोल एफ कर. डू कंट्रोल एफ, यू विल गेट दैट सर्च फील्ड. डू कंट्रोल एफ. डू कंट्रोल एफ, यू विल गेट दैट फील्ड. వచ్చిందా? Got it, everyone? No. You can also write your XPath here also. Elements के बाजू में there is something called as console. दिख रहा है? Elements पक्कना console. Just beside elements there is console. Click on console. Click on console. You might be already having some text here. You can clear it by this option, clear console. ऐसा symbol है, clear console. This will clear the console. If you click on this symbol, it will clear the console. Now you can write the XPath here also. यहाँ भी XPath लिख सकते. XPath is that one locator you can execute and verify before running your test case. Test case run करने से पहले ही you can verify if your element is correct or not, if your locator is correct or not. So how will you write it in your console? Like this, $x, and you will say whatever XPath that you have written, 2 forward slashes, input @ type is equal to single quotes password, like this, and hit enter. You will get your XPath here also. Console में, do it in console also, everyone, like this. Do it in console also. If you want to clear the console, you can click on this clear console button. The console will be cleared. You will have a fresh console on your screen. इसमें करना बोले तो कंट्रोल एफ करना इसमें. हाँ, डबल के नहीं. हाँ, अभी देखो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है. अरिया लेबल का स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है. LABEL. ओके, कर सकते सेम टू सेम. हाँ, दूसरा टैग रहेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. इनपुट ही है शायद उसका भी. क्या है? div लिख सकता है, नो प्रॉब्लम. whatever is the tag name that you see. हाँ, चल पेमेंट. small x console में भी you can do this XPath like this. You never know, the interviewer might ask you to execute in console or he will just ask you to show the XPath. Can be anything. ఏమన్నా interviewer. $x brackets copy paste your XPath. No, $x parenthesis double quotes में copy paste your XPath. Done. Over. $x parenthesis, inside the parenthesis double quotes, and inside the double quotes copy paste your XPath or write your XPath, whatever XPath that you have written. समझा नहीं? हाँ, वो क्लियर कर दे वार्निंग के बारे में. हाँ, नहीं होने रहने दो, नो प्रॉब्लम. हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम, रहने दो. उससे तुम्हारा एग्जीक्यूशन रुकेगा नहीं वो वार्निंग से. तुम अपना XPath लिख लो, बस खत्म हो गया. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दैट. कंसोल में अपना XPath टाइप कर ले, हो गया है. वो कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे XPath लिखेगी ना, वही XPath उठा के कंसोल में पेस्ट कर देना. ऐसा इनपुट @ टाइप इज इक्वल टू सिंगल कोट्स में खत्म. एंटर कर, हो गया. कॉपी नहीं होता है कभी कभी, इसीलिए. हाँ, वहां पे XPath टाइप करना पड़ेगा तुमको बिना $x का. ओके, यूज सिंगल कोट्स फॉर द वैल्यू, डोंट यूज डबल कोट्स फॉर द वैल्यू. एट्रीब्यूट का वैल्यू के लिए यूज सिंगल कोट्स. हाँ भाई बोल. हाँ, वो डबल को, हाँ सही है, वो भी सही है, बट कॉपी पाथ करे ना. नहीं, वैसा मत करो. लॉगिन करने के बाद भी करने के लिए बोला था. हाँ, सेम टू सेम. आने दो, नो प्रॉब्लम, इट्स फाइन. బొక్క మరి ఎందుకు మొత్తం రోజు ఎట్టుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది. వేస్ట్. ఏమైందమ్మా, అయినా డనా? XPath వచ్చిందా? We are not going to discuss any coding now. Okay, I'll give you some elements to locate. और 3-4 एलिमेंट का XPath लिखना पड़ेगा तुमको. You'll have to write XPath for another couple of more elements and we'll stop the session here for today. हाँ, देखो रे, I am pushing my code. Okay. हाँ, आफ्टरनून also I'll be pushing some code. Okay. बिना कोड का कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूँ मैं? Obviously, in the afternoon session also, I will be explaining some code. In the afternoon session also, we will be doing some XPaths. XPaths करेंगे afternoon session में भी. Be ready with your क्या बोलते हैं, इंटरनेट एंड ऑल. Be ready. जबरदस्त के लिए, नहीं तो इंस्टाग्राम रील्स के लिए वेस्ट नको करो तुम लोग अपना इंटरनेट डेटा को. बचा के रखो अपना इंटरनेट डेटा को. You will have easily 1 hour session in the afternoon today. So keep the data ready with you. Now everyone, देखो 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 यहाँ पे देखो. Everyone completed the XPath normally in the element section. Everyone completed it in the console section also. दोनों में आ गया. In the interview, you can do any one of your choice, your wish. You can use any attribute. Don't ask the interviewer, sir, can I use this? Bro, can I use this? No. तेरे को जो आता है वो लिख. Whatever you know, write it. And you should publish your answer. You should tell that this is the right answer. Do not ask him. Because in XPaths, there are 10 types of XPaths in XPath also. In relative XPath, there are 10 different types. Now, if you start asking him, should I write this? Should I write that? वो obviously difficult वाला ही लिखने के लिए बोलेगा तेरे को. He'll obviously ask you to write the difficult XPath only. So don't ask him. Whatever you know, put it on the piece of paper or put it on the screen. Don't ask him what should I write. He asks you XPath, whichever XPath you know, write it. Whichever syntax XPath. Now, locate the XPath for the Instagram login button. Write the XPath for Instagram login button. Fast. You have 2 minutes to write. तेरे पास 2 मिनट है लिखने के लिए. राइट, लिंक आ गया, खत्म. ఏమైంది? నువ్వు ఇందులో ఎందుకు పెడుతున్నావు? ఇందులో ఏం చేయకు. ఇందులో ఆల్రెడీ నేను ఇచ్చినా కదా నీకు. ఎన్ఐటి ప్రాజెక్ట్లో నువ్వు ఏం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ చేయకు. ఎన్ఐటి ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎట్లున్నా అట్లా వదిలేసేదాన్ని. దాన్ని ఏం చేయకు. ఇదంతా నీ ప్రాక్టీస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో వేసుకోవాలి. నువ్వు ఏం చేసుకున్నా ఎన్ఐటి ప్రాజెక్ట్లో అసలు ఏం చేయకు నువ్వు. ఇప్పుడు అవుతుంది పో. ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు సార్. క్లాస్ లేదంట కదా ఇందులో ఏమి? ఇందులో రేపు లేదు సార్, ఇవాళ మధ్యాహ్నం ఉంది. లింక్ ఆల్రెడీ తెప్పించేసాను నేను అడ్మిన్ తోటి. కంప్లీట్ ఆన్లైన్ సార్. మండే సెషన్ లేదు. మండే ఒక్కరోజే లేదు. అందుకే ఇవాళ మధ్యాహ్నం తీసుకుంటున్నాను. కంప్లీట్ ఆన్లైన్. చెప్తాను. వచ్చిందా XPath? Okay, some answers in the chat box. Button @type is equal to submit. Acha, okay. Tag name em tammullu? What is the tag name? Div. Acha, okay. Let's see. Sakka yojna unko. See, everyone, observe. Now that you said div, I have something to explain. मेरे को कुछ explain करना है. देखो यहाँ पे. See, whenever you see this kind of button, ये वाला expand button, whenever you see, just beside a div there is an expand button. Div के बाजू में there is an expand button. Yes or no? कन्फ्यूजन ना? Just beside the div tag there is an expand button. Expand करके देखो. You will see sometimes it is necessary that you expand. अभी इसका तो XPath नहीं लिख सकते. See how big the class का value is. You cannot write the XPath for that thing. So expand it. You will see button type is equal to submit. That will be the XPath. Button type is equal to submit. ये है तुम्हारा XPath. That is your XPath. ठीक है? और रहने दो. I'll give you one more concept. I'll explain one more concept. So let me also paste the. I am pasting the link for today's session, afternoon session. Google Classroom. You can join by clicking on the link from Google Classroom. Right. The link is posted in Google Classroom. Exactly at 3 o'clock, join the session. Valid only for today. कल से फिर से नहीं काम करेगा वो. Everyone, write the XPath for button type is equal to submit. Input ID is equal to login form. Input లేదు కదా ఇడా అసలు ఉందా చూద్దామాగు లేదే. there is no input tag, there is only button tag. ठीक है, fine, no problem. Write the XPath for create new account in facebook.com. Facebook లో create new account element, write the XPath for that element. Create new account, Facebook లో ఇక్కడ create new account ఉంది కదా, there is a create new account green color button, write the XPath for that button. I could have easily started the session. I could have started Selenium next week. But if I start it next week, you will not have enough exposure to Selenium. You need to have proper exposure to XPaths and all. नहीं, क्रिएट न्यू अकाउंट का लिखना है. राइट द XPath फॉर क्रिएट न्यू अकाउंट बटन. क्रिएट न्यू अकाउंट ग्रीन कलर बटन, राइट द XPath फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट. आफ्टरनून सेशन లో కూడా once I explain inheritance and all, we'll try to sit some half an hour or something like that on XPaths. So ఒకవేళ నేను ఇవాళ if I explain more XPath logics to you, over the weekend you can practice XPaths. Monday and Sunday you can prepare a lot of XPaths and practice XPaths కదా. So our concentration will be on more in afternoon session. How many days will it take to complete the syllabus? बोला था ना, August first week end तक you will reach the end of this course by August first week. By the end of August first week or August second week starting, we'll be closing the entire course almost. कुछ बचा हुआ है तो देख लेंगे बाद में. అర్థం కాలేదు. సెలీనియం 1 వీక్ లో అయిపోతుంది నీకు. టెస్ట్ ఎంజీ అయితే 2-3 days లో అయిపోతుంది నీకు. కుకుంబర్ అయితే 2 days లోనే అయిపోతుంది నీకు. జావానే బిగ్గెస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్, మిగతావన్నీ చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్స్. మిగతావన్నీ నువ్వు సరిగ్గా రాయలేదుగా కోడ్, అందుకే పోయింది. ఇప్పుడు సెలీనియం ఏముంది, సెలీనియంలో ఇఫ్ యూ ఆల్రెడీ నో జావా, నీకు జావా ఆల్రెడీ వస్తే సెలీనియం 1.5 week సెలీనియం అంతే. సెలీనియం ఇస్ జస్ట్ 1.5 week ఇఫ్ యూ నో జావా. అందుకే జావా మీద ఎక్కువ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేసినాం కదా. జావా వీ హావ్ లెర్న్డ్ ఫర్ 3 weeks. 10 weeks లో 3 weeks జావానే అయింది నీకు. ఇంకా జావా అయిపోలేదు నీకు. ఈవెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ 3 weeks we did not complete జావా. యూ ఆర్ స్టిల్ పెండింగ్ విత్ 4 oops కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ఇంకా అట్లనే మిగిలిపోయినాయి నీకు. యూ ఆర్ స్టిల్ పెండింగ్ విత్ 4 oops కాన్సెప్ట్స్. నువ్వు సపరేట్ గా నేర్చుకున్నావు అనుకో, జావా సపరేట్, సెలీనియం సపరేట్, టెస్ట్ ఎంజీ సపరేట్, యూ విల్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. కొంత జావా నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ యూ ఆర్ proficient with some Java, you should combine it with Selenium. Once you are good with some Selenium, you should combine with TestNG. Atla, you mix all of this, then you will understand a proper clear picture. Otherwise 6 months padutadi neeku and you will not get a clear picture also. Atla create new account. What is the tag name, amma? What is the tag name? div लेट्स सी, नहीं, डिव नहीं है, इनपुट है। कमाल है, मेरे को तो एंकर टैग आ रहा है मेरे को तो। आई एम गेटिंग एंकर टैग, हाउ कम यू आर गेटिंग डिव एंड इनपुट टैग? मेरे को तो एंकर टैग आ रहा भाई, आई एम गेटिंग एंकर टैग हियर। कृष्ण चैतन्य, యువర్ ఎక్స్ పాత్ విల్ ఫెయిల్. చూడు, అబ్జర్వ్ చేయి, ఎందుకు ఫెయిల్ అవుతుందన్నా అనేది అబ్జర్వ్ చేయి. ఇక్కడ నా స్క్రీన్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే నీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. అండర్స్టాండ్ మై స్క్రీన్, యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వై ఇట్ విల్ ఫెయిల్. సి, అర్థమైందా ఎందుకు ఫెయిల్ అవుతుందో కృష్ణ చైతన్య? సో పని చేయదు, ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ వర్క్. कैसे लिखे रे भाई? What did you take? Which attribute and which tag did you take? Anchor tag, very good. कौन सा attribute यूज करें? समझा नहीं? Data test ID, very good. That's the attribute that you need to choose. Why did you not take ID? कंचन, why did you not take ID? ID attribute तो है छोटा सा, वो क्यों नहीं ली? ID attribute, ID attribute दिख रहा है उसमें? नहीं दिख रहा है आईडी एट्रीब्यूट तुमको? ठीक है, और क्या है? रोल एक है, क्लास भी एक है. क्लास, कैन यू सेलेक्ट क्लास? नो, वाई? नंबर्स, वेरी गुड. href भी तो है, यू कैन यूज href ऑल्सो, लेकिन इसका वैल्यू बहुत बड़ा है. इट्स अ वेरी बिग वैल्यू, नो नीड ऑफ टेकिंग href. यू कैन यूज डेटा टेस्ट आईडी like this. So this is your XPath. Anchor tag @data test ID is equal to खत्म. Open registration form button. This is what it looks like. Vachana? Got it everyone? This is how you can write your XPath for create new button. Create new account button. Don't worry. This is a basic XPath. You will have advanced XPaths. We will learn a couple of them in today's afternoon session. I'll explain a couple of advanced XPaths today. So your XPaths will be even more easy after that. Sometimes you're having a very big attribute value. Attribute value is very big sometimes like this. So in that case, how to find our element, I will show you in today's afternoon session. Then once you learn 3-4 variations in XPath, you can write whichever XPath you want. Whichever way you want, you can write it, no problem. एलिमेंट्स में क्लिक कर, एलिमेंट्स में क्लिक करने के बाद कंट्रोल F कर, तब आएगा. हाँ, चले जाता फिर, ऑब्वियसली चले जाता. पहले तेरे को याद रखना है, इफ यू कीप टाइपिंग लाइक दिस, ऑब्वियसली द पेज विल कीप चेंजिंग, चेंज होता रहेगा पेज ऐसा. सो यू विल हैव टू रिमेंबर द एट्रीब्यूट्स एंड वैल्यूज एंड देन टाइप. नहीं तो कंसोल में टाइप करना, कंसोल में टाइप कर, टाइप इट इन कंसोल इफ यू वांट. टाइप कंसोल में टाइप करेगा तो नहीं जाएगा. हाँ, क्लियर कर दे इसको, ऐसा ऐसा क्लियर कर दे, खत्म. ऐसा $X पेरेंथेसिस डबल कोट्स व्हाटएवर XPath दैट यू राइट. अभी मेरे को ईमेल का लिखना है, इनपुट @ID इज इक्वल टू ईमेल, खत्म. एंटर करो, यू विल गेट योर एलिमेंट लाइक दिस. इसको एक्सपैंड करो एंड इट विल शो यू वेयर द एलिमेंट इज लाइक दिस. एक्सपैंड करके देखो इस पे, लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 1, मतलब एक ही एलिमेंट है, देयर इज ओनली वन एलिमेंट. हाँ, ఓకే, అంటే ప్రాబ్లం ఏందో నాకు అర్థం కాలే. పేజ్ స్లోగా లోడ్ అవుతుంది. ఈసారి అయినప్పుడు సరే మధ్యాహ్నం ఒకసారి నీ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయి, అంత కావాలంటే మధ్యాహ్నం ఒకసారి ఇంటర్నెట్ మీద, మంచి ఇంటర్నెట్ స్పీడ్ మీద ట్రై చేసి ఒకసారి నాకు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసి చూద్దాం ఏమవుతుందో. గాట్ ఇట్ ఎవ్రీవన్? नहीं, don't use ID attribute. You're having numbers, the numbers will change. Observe my screen also. If you observe my screen here, you can see that the ID value for me and you is different. Obviously, this will fail on my machine if you write this XPath, Vishnu. Done, huh? Everyone? So, today afternoon, 3 p.m. IST, we'll meet. We'll learn a couple of more other different variations in XPath, some OOPS concepts. I'll not give you any assignments, but I'll give you, I will not even be giving you any tasks. Basically, practice the XPath is what I'm going to say. Any website, you should be able to write an XPath. Just by looking at the HTML attributes, tag value, you should be able to write the XPath. That's how perfect you should be in XPaths. Okay? Chalo. We'll meet in the afternoon session. If you have no queries, you can leave.